Welcome to week 13 of my adventures in photography. And this week, my daughters and I took a trip to an unexplored area to overlook our town and got a couple of shots, but really struggled to find something that we really liked and discovered a little bit more about Lightroom and Photoshop.
Hey, I'm excited about photography and I hope you are too. So let's learn together.
Well, welcome to the 13th episode. 13th week of learning photography. Can't believe it's only been 13 weeks. I'm going to be bringing in this photo to edit, import, and I'll go right to development. And we can see it's pretty dark. It's my daughter looking out over our town. Not much of a town there, I know, but more woods than anything else. Yeah, it looks a little bit better already. Now, let's see. I'd like to see a little bit more blue skies. I'd also like to see this, these sticks kind of gone here. So, let's do a edit in Photoshop. Alright, and this is always fun, right? Of the content aware. Let's do a let's just do a broad stroke around all this. Let's just see what happens. Delete. Yeah. Now, see, that was what I was worried about, is the mountains in the background kind of feeding in a little too much there, because I wasn't being very careful. Kind of nice that it added new clouds. Let's see if we can do another content aware here real quick. We'll just probably just get rid of this real fast. Boom. Not a big deal there. But if we can even do this. Let's add that little section there. A double delete. A little better, but this stick here is kind of annoying, so let's just get rid of that real quick. In fact, I don't even like that stick there, so let's just get rid of that. That looks pretty good. Really just this stick here I'd like to get rid of. It's a bit of an eyesore, if you will. I think we missed a little spot there, but that's okay. We'll clone this and do that. This stick, maybe. I mean, if we're on this kick of deleting and content aware, I mean, why not, right? Trying to not be too crazy with the that doesn't look too bad. I don't even think I need to do any cloning, so I'll back out all the way. Boop. Yeah, no, that looks pretty good. Sweet. Just take that back. Control S to bring it back, and boom, they're gone. We're back in Lightroom. I didn't do my initial edits here, did I? Like I normally do. Boom. Oh yeah, I did. Oh yeah, but then Lightroom allows you, when you bring it back from Photoshop, back into Lightroom, it's like a new image. So you can do that again. And that just brought out the color in the sky, which is what I wanted to do in the first place. I don't think there's anything else needed. That looks pretty good. I don't know. I like it, other than maybe a crop factor here. Let's see if she's lined up. She's lined up on the third. Mountain's not quite lined up on the third. Is that level? The horizon? Let's do a quick. That looks like about horizon right about there. Yes, shift it a little bit. I like it. Without having to do anything else to it, that looks pretty good. You tell me if you think this looks good in the comments below, or if I should have done something else to it, because that looks pretty good in my opinion.
Okay, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I post a weekly video, so be sure not to miss next week's video by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week.